Can you see yourself in the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 200,000 miles on the odometer. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, 8-cylinder engine, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Powerful versatility meets comfortable convenience in the Silverado 1500. Come in and drive it.